Number 10, Dan has $50. At the camping store, he buys a water bottle, a cooler, and a can of bug spray, which is the best estimate of how much money Dan has left. So we know that he has 50, so that's his beginning dollar amount. Okay, and then we know that he buys a water bottle, a cooler, and a can of bug spray. So he buys all of those items. So what you need to do is, if you buy all of those, that means you need to add them up. And just to make it look better, I always try to line up based on the size of the number. To me, it just looks easier. So you line them up based on the decimals, so make sure your decimals are all lined up. And then you just start adding. So that's 4 plus 5 is 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Carry your 1, 8, 9, 10. And 4 is 14. That's 24. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 44 and 49, that's how much he spent. So if you just do some common sense here, $44, did I do that right? 8, 9, 10, oh, 14, sorry. So 34. Okay, so let's just do common sense. Look at the numbers, $50, and look at the $34.49. $34.49 is almost $35. Really close. I mean, we're missing 51 cents, and it becomes $35. So just do the math. If you subtract the $34.49, okay, it's going to be real close to $35 to $15 change. Let's just go ahead and subtract. So we have a bunch of zeros here. We can't subtract. We're going to have to start borrowing from the 5. That becomes a 4. Okay, so that becomes a 10. Borrow from that. That becomes a 9. That's a 10. Borrow from that. That becomes a 9. Okay, so now you have a 10 here. 10 minus 9 is 1. 9 minus 4 is 5. 9 minus 4 is 5. Okay, so let's look at the numbers. It's $15.51. That's what he has in change. If you look at that, you can easily round that up and just simply say that it's $16. It's really close. It can't be 20, it can't be 35, and it can't be 25. So the closest, because it does say best estimate, is going to be 1551. The closest to that would be $16.